Questions 1. In which state refrigerant enter? In compressor. Option A, gas state. Option B, liquid state.
Right answer is
Option A, gas state. Questions 2. Which metal coil is better for heat transfer? Option A, aluminum coil. Option B, copper coil.
Right answer is
Option B, copper coil. Questions 3. 2-ton air conditioner. Remove heat the rate of B.T.U per hours. Option A 18,000 B.T.U per hours. Option B 12,000 B.T.U per hours. Option C 24,000 B.T.U per hours.
Right answer is
Option C 24,000 B.T.U per hours. Questions 4. Which part produce cooling effect in refrigeration system? Option A, evaporator. Option B, condenser. Option C, compressor.
Right answer is
Option A, evaporator. Questions 5. Refrigerant should have boiling point. Option A, low. Option B, high.
Right answer is
Option A, low. Question 6. What effect on cooling if suction pressure, decrease in vapor, compression system? Option A, cooling increase. Option B, cooling decrease.
Right answer is
Option B, cooling decrease. Question 7. Which refrigerant is not environment friendly? Option A, R32. Option B, R410A. Option C, R22.
Right answer is
Option C, R22. Questions 8. 1-ton ice and 1-ton air conditioner has same cooling effect, is it right? Option A, yes. Option B, no.
Right answer is
Option A, yes. Questions 9. Which air conditioner save 30% electricity power? Option A, inverter AC. Option B, non-inverter AC.
Right answer is
Option A, inverter AC.